So what are a couple things that you might recommend trying to read for, right? Like, so you're getting past that noise. What is the news that you really think like, hey, look for this, like this piece of information, and try to help build a bigger picture. Like, what should I be looking for as a more regular investor?
I guess I'll give you an example. There's obviously we have so much data to work with, but one of the pieces that I've been looking at is retail sales. So we've talked about how the consumer is really such a big part of our economy. They're about 70%, and they've really been carrying the weight of the economy for some time now. And so we really rely on them to carry us through this time of uncertainty when businesses aren't really doing their part to help us, okay? Because they're just kind of sitting on the sidelines waiting for this trade issue to resolve itself. So we got a new retail sales number last week. It was good, and if you had just looked at the headline, the retail sales were up 0.3% over the last month. That seems pretty good, especially since the prior month wasn't as great, okay? If you had actually researched, maybe read it from, not every article mentioned this, so this is why I kind of look at different places, is I had, in reading a little bit further, I saw that actually only about 5 of the 13 retail groups actually reported growth over the prior month. And that tells you the headline and the key takeaway doesn't really tell you the whole story often. So you really just need to make sure that you're digesting all the information.
Okay.